Hi guys, and this is a new video about TikTok application. So let's talk about how to create polls on TikTok. Right now we need to tap on the TikTok application, and right now, as you can see, we are on our profile page. To create a new TikTok, let's press on the central plus icon. Okay, again please. Okay, so right now we are on the created mode, so let's pick on the red central button and wait a minute to save our TikTok. Let's choose the checkmark option here, and here on the next page we can smoothly choose the stickers option, which is located on the right side of the screen, to add the poll feature. As you can see, we have this poll option at the top of the list, but if you cannot find it, let's choose the search option at the top too. I will click on it one time to add. And let's ask a question. I will paste my text as an example. It's a title of my poll, how is your mood? And later we can smoothly add an answers. So I will choose emojis for this one as an example, and the next one will be this. Okay, so after, as I said, our poll is smoothly created, but we can also increase or decrease it by dragging and rotating to the different sides. Okay, right now I will save my poll in this way, because I can choose any way for this poll, and later let's tap on the next button to save my TikTok, or to choose the drafts option to add this TikTok to the draft section. I will post it. Later let's wait a minute, and after we will check the result after going to the profile page and refreshing it. So as you can see, this is my newly created TikTok. Let's tap on it one time. And right now we have the new poll here, so don't forget that you are an owner of your TikTok account, so you can smoothly check the result after tapping on the poll and choosing the View Vote Results feature. So this is a list of answers, and you can check all of them and different users too, which answers on your question. So right now I hope that you know how to use this poll option and to create a new TikTok too. Don't forget about likes, and of course subscribe to our HardReset.Info channels on YouTube and of course on TikTok. So bye bye guys!